A simple and easy way to enjoy potatoes that will go well with fried chicken and steaks. Here is a simple potato salad recipe with just 6 ingredients. The ingredients I have are 850 grams of potatoes, wash, clean and leave the skin on, 3 chicken eggs, 180 grams of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of spring onion chopped. First, we are boiling the potatoes and eggs. Here are the potatoes. Most of them are similar in size. However, this piece is rather too big. I'm cutting it into half so they all cook at the same time. Alright, potatoes are ready. Let's cook. I have a pot filled with water here. This is about 1.5 liters. Add in the salt. I will leave just about half teaspoon of salt for the salad later on. The amount of water should be sufficient to fully immerse all the potato when boiling. Now put in the potatoes. Switch on the heat to medium-high. If you want, you can boil the egg in the same pot with potatoes. However, the egg will be cooked and ready after 8 minutes. You need to remove it from the pot to prevent them from overboiling. As this might be difficult to handle, I will boil them in a separate pot to better control the water and the temperature. Cover the lid and let the potato cook for 45 minutes. Place all the egg in another pot. Add in the water to almost cover the egg. Switch on the heat to medium and set the time for 8 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, the water starts to boil. Reduce the heat to low and continue to cook for 5 more minutes. Do not cover the lid as water tends to overflow when boiling egg. Alright, time is up. Immediately remove the egg from hot water into a bowl filled with water. We are shocking the eggs to stop the cooking process so that egg will not be overcooked. Let's check on the potatoes. 1 more minute to go. Pick up the potato and use the fork to poke it. If the fork goes in easily without resistance, like this, the potatoes are soft and ready. So, I will just allow the heat to go off by itself. Alright, time is up. I have basin filled with room temperature water here, and I am removing the potatoes from the hot water into this basin. This is to reduce the heat and also give some moisture to the potato. I will keep it in the water for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the potatoes out of the water. Now potatoes are ready to be peeled. Use a small knife to guide and peel off the potato skin. Add the peeled potato into the mixing bowl. If there are any black spots or bad parts on the potatoes, just use the knife to cut it off. Alright, potatoes are peeled. Next, we are going to peel the eggs. I will add the peeled egg into the same bowl with the potatoes. Okay, potatoes and egg are ready. Let's mash them. Use a potato masher if you have one. Since I don't have one, I will use a large fork to mash the potatoes and the egg together in the mixing bowl. The fineness of the potatoes and the egg is as desired. For me, this should be enough. Next, add in the pepper, the balance of the salt, spring onion, 120 grams of mayonnaise. I'm adding this much first. If it's not enough, we can add another 60 grams. Mix until well combined. I will use the silicone spatula to mix it, as it can scrape the potatoes stuck at the bottom of the mixing bowl. Now I can give it a taste. Good, but quite mild and in taste. I will add another 60 grams of mayonnaise and a bit of pepper, salt, and the balance of the spring onions. Give it a mix again. Taste it again. Oh wow, this is perfect. Very delicious and smooth. Love it. Alright, it is ready, but we still need to chill it before serving. I am covering it with cling wrap and put it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. If you are rushing, place it in the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes so that it can be chilled faster. After about 3 hours in the fridge, let's check on the potato salad. Wow, it is perfect. Now we can dish out and serve. This simple potato salad is perfect for family dinner with steaks, fried chicken, or for a party. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple home-cooked dishes like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.